Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars Esports pins. First, you must create a Supercell ID, linking it directly to your Brawl Stars game account for reward eligibility. This Supercell ID acts as your secure portal to all event-specific rewards, including unique pins. Without this crucial connection, even if you watch the events, the system cannot identify where to send your prizes. Ensure your game is securely tied to a Supercell ID before proceeding to any live streams. It is the fundamental first step to collecting new items. Connecting your Supercell ID is a straightforward process, absolutely crucial for earning those exclusive rewards. Navigate to your game settings, then select the Supercell ID option and follow the clear on-screen instructions carefully. You will need an active email address to verify your account, so choose one you check regularly for important updates. This vital step ensures that any esports pins you successfully earn are safely delivered directly into your Brawl Stars game, ready for you to enjoy. Double-check everything before finalizing your link. Once your account is securely linked, the next step is to watch official Brawl Stars Esports broadcasts. Rewards are exclusively granted during these live championship events, not from highlight reels or past broadcasts. Visit the official Brawl Stars Esports website or social media channels for the most accurate schedules and direct links. Make sure you are logged into your Supercell ID account on the streaming platform or through the specific esports website for your viewing time to be correctly tracked. Consistency in watching increases your chances for drops. Esports pins drop randomly during specific viewing windows within the live streams, so there is no guarantee for every viewer. You might receive a notification directly on the streaming platform or within the esports website, confirming a successful drop. After receiving this confirmation, it is crucial to log into your Brawl Stars game within approximately 24 hours of the notification. The game will prompt you to claim your new pin, adding it instantly to your collection. Do not miss this window, or your reward might expire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.